Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Initials widgets in your docs for contracts and proposals. You can use the Initial widget to get initials from your recipients on documents and proposals, and it is really easy to. So to use the Initial widgets, I just have to drag the Initial widget on the document, click on it and assign it from this Assign It drop down. So now that I have assigned this to a recipient, only that recipient will be able to sign it. Now let's say I want to add my initials on the contract or document. How do I do that? It's really simple. I will drag initial widget again, double click on it and add initials. Click on accept and sign. So this is how you add initial widget on your doc. Now let me show you how it looks on the client side. So I'm going to send this contract via link. Click on generate link. A link will be generated for my contact, for my recipient. I will copy this link and go in a separate tab and open this. So now I'm on the contract client view screen. I can click on this start button to sign the signature. It will take me to the required field, that is initials. I can click on it and it will open a dialog for me to sign. I can draw the initials, or I can just go to type and it will automatically pick from my first name and last name, from the client's first name and last name, and I can choose from fonts and I can click on the sign button. And this is how they can sign the initials widget. So this is how you add initials in your document. Thanks.